Imagine a universe where each idea has a different reflection, and each truth can multiply like the reflections of a kaleidoscope. This is something that the philosopher Averroes, born in Muslim Spain in the 12th century, began to explore with his revolutionary approach. He maintained that reason and faith were not contradictory, but parallel paths to the truth. Averroes believed that the truths revealed in sacred texts and the secrets deciphered by the human mind, like the pieces of a puzzle, are part of an integrating whole. Through his works, an intellectual universe came to life where the known conflicts between science and religion faded away, giving rise to a harmonious and surprising coexistence. Is it possible that the key to better understanding our world is in accepting that various truths can coexist without repelling each other? The notion of multiple truths becomes an almost ethereal balancing act under the gaze of Averroes. This prodigious thinker wondered if we could challenge our perception of the world by observing ideas as mental mosaics capable of complementing each other. For him, reality was not univocal, but a vast and enigmatic flow of possibilities. Let's take a moment to remember those tunnels made of colorful glass we spun as children, revealing ever-changing and fascinating patterns. In the same way, Averroes invites us to turn the prism of our understanding and observe how the lights of religion, mathematics, and philosophy fold and reflect into one another. The question becomes inevitable. Could this way of looking at reality transform the way we live and understand our environment? The multiplicity of visions posed by Averroes is a breath for our minds limited by convenience and habit. This philosopher invited us to explore beyond the confines imposed by established knowledge, nurturing a genuine appetite for the diverse and the unexpected. Indeed, each of his ideas reflects a tenacious desire to unite heaven and earth, dreams and numbers, texts and stars, uniting the known and the unknown in a dance of discoveries. And if by rejecting the idea of an absolute truth, we opened ourselves to a cosmos of surprising possibilities. This multiple vision does not fear disagreement, but embraces it with the promise of deeper teachings. In an increasingly uniform world, the question resounds: are we ready to accept the possibility of infinite truths coexisting peacefully and constructively? The mental kaleidoscope proposed by Averroes undoubtedly expands the traditional horizons of thought. As we move through the course of his philosophy, we encounter a resonant echo that questions the limits of our certainties. How willing are you to break with the barriers of your perception and accept that differences can be the seed of grand symphonies of knowledge? Faced with this dazzling vision, the world stops being rigid and becomes pliable and moldable, thus revealing the true dynamic of human thought. The existence of multiple truths turns the search for knowledge into a mystical dance, a journey where each step brings us even closer to a radically new understanding. Before the challenge of a parallel universe of ideas, the choice is clear: to embrace diversity as an irreplaceable enrichment in the adventure of human understanding.